everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 of the new colours from Naio Nails Urban Graffiti Diamond Dust collection. I've got 3 here that they kindly sent me. I've also got 3 different glitter top coats that I'll be showing you in a separate video. So the first colour I've got here is Glitter Storm, there's Drop Dead, and there is Caribbean Night, and they're all really pretty. I don't think I do them any justice on the camera. This first one is Glitter Storm, and this one is a beautiful blue. This would be amazing for a galaxy nail background. It's really nice. I've already swatched it, so I'll show you what it looks like on the swatch pot. I did top coat it with the Urban Graffiti top coat. So it's really pretty, but I don't feel like you can get the whole, I don't feel like you're getting the whole experience through my camera. And the next one is called Drop Dead. This one is gonna be gonna make a really amazing autumn color. So it's like a brownie red. It's really nice. I really like this one. Initially I thought, oh, not too keen on that, but when I got it out and I swatched it, I was pleasantly surprised. And this is it swatched, but they've just got this most amazing, I don't know if it's a shimmer, I don't know what it is, if it's a really fine glitter through them, but they are so amazing. They're just so nice. And this next one is called Caribbean Night. So this is the one that we're going to be using in our set today. This is a gorgeous sort of greeny, like a peacocky, I don't know, I want to say, I don't know, peacocky colour, but it's like a bluey green. It's really pretty. And again, I will show you the swatch because I can't leave this one out. So this is this one swatched. So yeah, so we're going to use this one today, and I've got a couple of other colours that I've had sitting in my drawer for about 2 years. This one is Strawberry Cream, and it's a gorgeous pink. These are some of the first gel polishes I bought when I qualified, and this one is called, I think it was Pistachio, but it's such a gorgeous green. So with every gel polish set that I do, well, not every set, but I wanted to do a marble on this one, and I'm going to put the colours that I want to use onto my palette, and I sort of put them together. This one is, I think it's running out a little bit, and then I'm going to put a little bit of this one through the middle. I don't want to put too much because this is quite a dark colour, and I didn't want it to overpower the other colours. So because I don't have any blooming gel from Naio Nails, I'm going to use the base coat. I mean, it doesn't do exactly the same thing that a blooming gel does, but it does help to disperse some of that colour. So it will kind of do the same job. It might not do it as well, but it will do the job, if you see what I mean. So I'm just going to put my just going to run a tool through that colour just to mix it up a little bit. And then I'm using my ombre brush to just pick up some of the gel polish, and I'm going to start placing it on my nail. Bits that I think I missed, I do, like you just saw there, I do go back and fill in with a little bit of colour. So I'm trying I try to spread the colour out quite far because I don't want to end up with like a blob of colour on the nail. Because if you end up with a thick blob, then the nails aren't gonna, it won't cure properly. You need it not to be too thick so that the light can penetrate through all the gel. Otherwise you'll end up with wrinkly nails, and you don't want that, because they'll then start lifting, and it's just a whole heap of nightmare basically. So I'm going to top coat with Urban Graffiti's top coat. And this is going to go into my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So Naio Nails Urban Graffiti gel polishes and top coats cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp, not 30. So I'm used to 30 seconds, so I have to remember that I need to give them a little bit more time. I'm going to put Caribbean Night on, I mean around the top half of the nail, top third. It doesn't really matter. I wanted to use this colour because this is the colour that I'm trying to show off. I'm sorry, you can hear the diggers. Ooh, it's timing. I usually leave the voiceovers till quite late, but when I do that, I've been uploading really late, so I thought I'd try and get this done now, even though there's probably, you can probably hear workmen and stuff outside. So I'm going to put a little bit of the base coat on the free edge of this nail, and then again I wanted to use up some of this gel polish that I've got on my palette. I don't like waste, so I thought, right, we'll use this in a second nail, and I'm just going to put the gel polish marble on the sort of bottom half of this nail. There we go. And then if I find that I've got any gappy bits, you can leave them. It's quite nice to have a little bit of a see-through bit, but if you don't like that, then you can obviously go back in and cover it up with some of that gel polish. So I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to pop it into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I am going to go ahead and pop some crystals on that part, that area where the colours meet, but I'll do that at the end. I don't actually show me doing that, but I just wanted to show you how I done this bit. So because I'm gonna have that lumpy, not a lumpy bit, but it's gonna have a bit of a ridge in that middle bit, so I'm gonna turn the nail upside down to let the gel polish sort of settle. And I mean, that kind of, to me, that kind of eliminates a lot of lumps and bumps in nails when I do nail designs like that. You can always go over with a buffing block and then re-top coat if you're really bothered by it. Sometimes I do that because I do get bothered. This nail is going to be a plain pink nail. So this is just 2 coats of strawberry cream, top coated for 60 seconds, cured in the each layer cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then, isn't that a really pretty pink? I love that colour. And then obviously over the top of this, we're going to go in with this was actually base coat. I didn't mean to use base coat, so I decided to get the worst off, and then I thought, sod it, I'm just going to go over with some base coat, and then I'll go over with some top coat, because again, I didn't want bumps. So yeah, so now we're top coating over the base coat that we accidentally put on. I have cured it so it's not going to contaminate the top coat. Silly Billy. Okay, so that's going to go into the lamp, and then we will move on to the last nail of this set. If I had a matte top coat, I really want to try Naio's matte top coat. Actually, they're ultra matte. I think it's called ultra matte. I really want to try their, yeah, because it looks really good. Also, the link to Naio nails is in my description box. That will take you straight there. So go and have a look in the description box. So for this nail, I'm doing sections of pink and the green, and every time I do a section, I do like to just quickly flash cure it. So when I'm happy with the section, I'll give it a quick flash cure for about 10 seconds. Okay, now I can start working on my my next section. So I'm going to put a little bit of the pistachio and strawberry cream on my palette, and I'm going to use my detailer brush for this part because I just find it easier to apply there, especially if they're thin. I'm going to put, like, it's almost like, I suppose it's like color blocking. We're going to put like lines through. I just find it easier to do this with my detailer brush. So we are going to put a second coat on each section as well, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go in with my next section. I probably should have flash cured this first, but I didn't. So when you're just adding that second section, just make sure you don't get your colours, you don't want them to get mixed up in each other. I don't know why I done this. I think I had a bit of a silly moment. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep adding sections, and I will see you in a second. Those are all the sections. I will then, I'm going to pop that in the lamp now to have a full cure, and then I'm going to just go ahead and put a second coat on the areas that I missed. Okay, and now I am taking the Caribbean Night, and I'm just going to put a little thin a little thin line of this through where each of the pink and the green sections meet, just so that we've got this colour on the nail somewhere. I just feel like if we have it on this nail, they're kind of gonna what's the word, it's just gonna bring the nails together. I know what I'm on about, but I don't know what I'm on about because I can't think this morning. It's Friday. My brain is fried. We've done loads of walks this week over at the forest, and I think it's kind of taking it out of me. There we go. So I will finish putting some more lines across the, you know, I've just finished this now. And then I'm going to cure it in the lamp, and then we're going to go over with the Urban Graffiti No Wipe top coat. Again, once I've top coated this, I will hold it upside down for a few seconds before I pop it in the lamp, because it's going to have little have little sort of lump lines, you know. So I kind of want it to smooth as much as possible, and this is the finished set. Don't forget, I'll leave the link to the Naio Nails website in the description box below, so you can just click on that and you'll be straight there. Thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Look at that beautiful colour. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you beautiful lot on Monday. Love you, bye.